In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these JAMB commerce problems under elements of marketing. So we're going to focus on the subtopic, the concepts of marketing or marketing concepts. So we have about 18 to 20 questions to practice in the video. Let's get started. The first question here says, the marketing concept emphasizes where sales of goods directly to customers, consumer satisfaction at a point, use of promotional tools to stimulate sale, mass production of goods. The right answer is option B, consumer satisfaction at a profit. Okay, that's the right answer, option B. Next question, this one. It says the marketing term which regards the consumer as king that must be satisfied is market research, market segmentation, marketing mix, marketing concept. Right answer is option D, marketing concept. Okay, this question, this one. It says use the diagram below to answer this question. So the diagram above illustrates the marketing concept of, let's look at the options. So competitive promotion, pricing policy, consumer sovereignty. Option D here is distribution channel. So the right answer is option C, consumer sovereignty. Let's answer this question, guys. Okay, next question, this one. It says the central focus of commercial activities is trading, pricing, advertising, marketing. Right answer is option A, which is trading. Next question, this one. It says the main concern of marketing concept is to reduce the number of retail outlets, encourage division of labor, identify consumer needs and satisfy them. Yes, that's the answer. Okay, increase sales to meet consumer needs. No, the right answer is option C. Next question, this one. It says a business that focuses attention on the quality of the goods produced by precisely knowing what the consumer's desire is said to be operating the marketing concept, option B. Okay, next question, this one. It says a manufacturer can make his product distinguishable from those of other competitors by providing catalogs for his wholesalers. No, brand and packaging the product. Yes, aggressive sales promotion. No, selling the product at a much lower price. No, so right answer is option B, brand and packaging the product. Okay, next question, this one. It says the essential utility derived from the use of products is known as the core benefit, option A. Okay, next question, this one. It says a system where customer patronage is sought by producing what they need is referred to as market orientation, sales promotion, product promotion, market promotion. Right answer is option A, which is market orientation. Okay, next question is this one. It says the firm that adapts itself to deliver the desired satisfaction more effectively and efficiently than its competitors is said to be practicing marketing concept, option B. Repeated question. Next one is this one. It says consumer sovereignty means that the consumer is always right, option B. Okay, next question. Say the main concern of marketing concept is to identify consumer needs and satisfy them. Repeated question, option C. Next question is one. It says three major aim of consumer orientation is consumer satisfaction, consumer sovereignty, what to produce, market research. Right answer is option A, consumer satisfaction. Okay, next question. The major aim, this meant to be the major, not three major, is the major aim rather. Okay, so take note, the major aim of consumer orientation is consumer satisfaction, option A. Next question is one. It says which of the following makes other functions of business its appendages? So is marketing, option B. Next question. The next question is when it says an individual who makes the final use of goods and services provided by a firm is the consumer. Okay, this is very simple. The next question is one. The main purpose of branding is to increase sales volume, no, create product awareness, no, create an identity of the product. Yes, option C. Okay, the next question is one. The firm that adapts itself to deliver the desired satisfaction more effectively and efficiently that its competitors is said to be practicing marketing concept, option C. The question, next question is one. Says modern business philosophy emphasizes customer satisfaction, option A. Last question for end this video is this one. It says one of the aims of marketing is to help promote sales, analyze sales, periodically forecast price, reduce prices of goods is to promote sales, option A. So guys, this is basically how you can do problems involving elements of marketing. We focus on the subtopic marketing concept of practice with about 18 to 20 questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share and comment on the video. Tell me how you feel, what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific question asked regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to request in the comment section below and I will sure to give you a response. Also ensure that part of the membership by clicking the JAMB button and getting premium information that will help you to excel your exams like your JAMB and other exams you write. Okay, I've been known to click on the screen above, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.